So if you're watching this video and you want to have results with affiliate marketing, promoting different products as an affiliate, then listen closely, because the number one thing you have to get access of is audiences. You see, the traffic is the number one thing. You can have the best product, but if you don't have the visitors to your website, the visitors to your ClickBank affiliate links, then nothing else matters. So listen closely. In 2022, if you want to have results with affiliate marketing, if you have to have this kind of lifestyle, traveling around the world while your business is working for you, leveraging online marketing, then listen, because you need to have the right traffic. Now you can have many different audiences and you can start from zero and build up your email list, which can take years in some cases. And I know you don't have that much time, and me either. So number one thing is getting access, cloning data of other people audiences, basically buying data, buying audiences, so you can get sales as an affiliate. So it's really important to understand this, because you can spend months wasting time and also money, which is the resource. So listen, you need to have some kind of resources, which is time and money, right? You need both. You can do it for free. In 2022, if you want to be cheap on this, you better find a job. It won't work. I just want to be honest with you. People telling you you can do it for free, they're either lying to you or they're just wasting your time. So you cannot do it for free. Number one thing, you need money and some time. So basically, if you have money, it's great, because you can buy audiences, and you have many different audiences. You have offer-aware audiences, right? People who already are aware about the product. You have unaware audiences, people who are not aware of anything. They don't know they have a problem, and they don't know they need a solution. So you need to find audiences that know they have a problem. They are offer-aware, or they are solution-aware and niche-aware. They're into niche, for example, make money online, personal growth, law of attraction, manifestation, weight loss, getting their ex back, right? Relationship space. There is huge emotional gap, right? Those are people who have pains, who have problems, who want solutions. So those are the best audiences. Now you can get it with the biased traffic. If you don't want, like some people are lazy, right? They don't want to build a website, they don't want done for them campaign. Now what can I offer you is done for you campaigns on Google Ads or Facebook Ads. Or if you don't want to build that, you can also get the access to buyers clicks, basically traffic sent to your affiliate link. So you can basically purchase from our ad agency, you can purchase clicks, and you can get them sent to your affiliate link. So basically we would send those clicks to your ClickBank affiliate ID, and from there you can go and purchase, people can purchase the product and you can get commissions. So if you're watching this video and if you want to have success with affiliate marketing, with ClickBank, then click the link below this video. Let's connect one-on-one. You can ask me different questions. You can get coaching done for you, affiliate campaigns, right? Done for you, ad copy and everything. Or you can also get, without website, sales with high ticket affiliate marketing, basically traffic sent to your affiliate link. Now, if you want that, minimum is $500 and you get 300 buyers clicks, and those clicks can be sent to your affiliate ClickBank ID. So from there people can purchase, and those can convert to you getting huge affiliate commissions as soon as in today. So let me know below this video, and please subscribe to my channel so you can get more helpful tips like this about affiliate marketing and other also traffic sources. So thank you for watching, and again, please subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.